Today I'm gonna distill some DC tap water. We're gonna find out how dirty it is, how much filth is left down in it. Or maybe it's just clean, who knows? But we're gonna find out today.
It's gonna get in your mind.
Let's ask Siri a couple of questions. Hey Siri. Can I boil fluoride out of water?
Here's what I found from healthline.com. Boiling tap water doesn't change how much fluoride is in it. Home water filters can't remove fluoride either.
Sheesh. That sounds like we have a problem for a lot of people in the house right now that don't have a still. Hey Siri. Can I distill fluoride out of water?
Here's an answer from healthline.com. The distillation process removes fluoride and natural minerals found in drinking water.
Yeah, that's a plan. So I'm figuring everybody needs to get themselves a still. I'm just saying, if you don't want to, you don't want to. But we definitely want to find out. I'm going to show everybody what they're drinking when they just drink water fresh out the tap water, and you can just buy one of these stills like this for dirt cheap somebody. I'm not endorsing these people, but I'm pretty sure you can get one, you can make one yourself and distill your own water. So let's talk about it. How dirty do you think your tap water really is? Do you know what's in your tap water? Because I don't. And that's exactly why I'm about to distill it, just to see what it is, even though I can't test it because I don't have no lab kit to test to see the exact minerals and deposits that's in my water, but I do have eyes. And that might just be good enough today, and I do have a microscope. Put it under the microscope to get a closer look, even though I still may not tell you what it is. Just know that it's not supposed to be in your water. I filled the container up halfway, so it should be 4 gallons of water in the still right now. I'm gonna plug it up and I'm gonna run it, and then I'm gonna see how much filth and dirt and grime is left in this still pot right here after I distill all the water out of it. This is DC tap water. How clean is it? We getting our first drops from the water from out of there. The water coming out, it's coming out nice. Nice little steady pour. We're gonna see if we get our 4 gallons back and see how much we leave behind. And the distillation process is over. Got a little less than 4 gallons of water. I'm gonna check to see what's in the pot. think?
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming.
water. I distilled, I guess, 3.5 gallons of water is what I got back out my still. Give or take a half or a little bit. But about 3.5 gallons I distilled. And this amount of dirt was in the 3.5 gallons. So if I had just drunk the regular tap water, I don't even know what that is. If I had drunk the regular tap water, this is what would have been in my body. It looked clear when it came out. It seemed like it was plain water. But look at that. Do you really want that in your body right there? What is that? I'm spilling it and stuff. Do you really want that in your body? You boil the water, it's not getting rid of it. You're just concentrating it. That's nasty. That's nasty. That's from 3.5 gallons of water distilled. Three and a half gallons of water. That's how much filth was in there, including what's on this napkin right here. That's nasty. Imagine you drinking it. Imagine you drinking whatever this is. That's nasty.
Wanna get in your mind.